Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Irish Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's recipe is for sloppy joes, but a healthier version. So sit back, relax, enjoy, and thanks for watching. So we take some diced potatoes. I just leave the skins on, pop them in a bowl, put some olive oil in them, and then some Worcestershire sauce. Give them a quick stir around, make sure that they're all covered in the oil and the Worcestershire sauce. Now I'm doing mine in the air fryer, but if you wish to do yours into the oven, just pop your oven on at 425 degrees and pop them in on a roasting tray. So I take mine into the air fryer, put them on at 200 for about 25 minutes. Now as you can see, I have a rotisserie, but if you are doing yours just on a flat, just stir them after about 15 minutes, make sure that they're all covered. Now folks, if you find benefit in what I'm doing, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. It does help my channel for making further videos. Now while the potatoes are cooking, we'll take a frying pan, we'll spray it with some oil. Pop in our onion, give it a stir around, cook it for a couple of minutes until it's translucent. Then we add some garlic, cook that for about another minute, again until it goes translucent. Just be careful not to burn the garlic because it does go better. And to the pan then we add our minced beef. You don't need any extra oil, there is plenty of oil in the beef when it comes out. Cook the beef until it forms a bit of a crust, then give it a stir around the other side, make sure that both sides are crusty. Now we're going to add some passata, some diced carrot, some diced yellow pepper, and some diced celery. Give that a stir around. Let it cook for 10 or 15 minutes until the vegetables are softened. Now once the vegetables are starting to soften, we add some chilli powder. Some cider vinegar and season it. Then we add some water just to loosen the mixture up. Give that a stir around, let it simmer for another 10 or 15 minutes. Now as you can see, our mixture is starting to thicken up. It's time to add our potatoes. Just throw the cubed roasted potatoes into the pot. Give it a stir around, make sure all the flavours are covered. Now it's time to add our mozzarella cheese. Just sprinkle it over the top. Take our pan under a hot grill and just pop it there until the cheese melts. This normally only takes 3 to 4 minutes. As you can see, our cheese is melted, our dishes went really crusty, the potatoes are starting to brown more on top. It's time to serve our sloppy joes. Sloppy joes are obviously served in a burger bun, but I like to serve mine with some flatbreads. This just keeps the dish that little bit healthier. So folks, if you like this video and you're getting benefit of what I do, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And again, thanks for watching.